Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will accept different input values using different data types in C programming language. We will call this program Bacolod Software Incorporated Employees Information System. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description guys where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, so basically I'm using div C++ in writing this program. So we have several comments here. Sharp includes tdio.h for input output. Int main, it is the starting and ending point of execution in every C program. We have here big curly bracket, and then we have a series of variables. Now we have here car full underscore name. We have the size of 200 characters. The same thing with position, int age, float wage, yearly salary double, and gender. Basically guys, the C language does not have a string data type. The string data type was introduced in C++. So we have here character, and then we put the size, and then we have the title here, Bacolod Software Incorporated Employees Information System. Input here, new line. So in this line of code, we are asking the user to give the name. What is good about this program? We are using fgets, full name 200. Even though there is a space in between words, let's say Jake space Pomperada, it will accept. And then we have here give employees age, that will be stored in a variable age. Give employees position, we are using if gets. What is the employee's wage? Because it is float, we are using %f. What is employee's yearly salary? In our variable here, yearly salary, lf, no, long float. And get car for the gender here. Okay, and then it will display the output, no? So employee's name, str uppercase, age, position, wage, and then yearly salary, and to upper also to the gender end of program. So input and display and convert. Return 0, it will return to our operating system, and then we close our main body of our program. As I said, I will put a link in the video description guys where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, let us go to execute, compile and run. Okay, Bacolod Software Incorporated Employees Information System. Give employee's name. Let's say my father, no? Virgilio Valencia Pomperada. Age of my father is still employed, 50 years old. Employees, give employees position, general manager. Employees wage, let's say 14,566.23. Yearly salary, assuming 350,341.34 example. Male. Okay, so we have here the result, no? So we can see employee's name, Virilio Valencia Pomperada, age 50. It is already in uppercase. The same thing with the position, the salary, two decimal places, 14,566.23. The position of Mr. Virilio Valencia Pomperada is general manager. The yearly salary, assuming, is 350,341 pesos and 34 cents. And then the gender is male, capital. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on employees information system in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.